Hi you guys, welcome to the Cosmic Check-In. Woo, it went twice, that's cool. Anyway, happy December. Each one of you needs to give yourself a gold medal for having gone through the year of generosity. And a good thing to do as you go through it is you must always remember that generosity is what keeps prosperity alive. So how you worked with generosity this year will set you up for, the coming years and the coming events, structures in your life that allow for you to be open to the idea that the universe is very willing to shower you with gold. Okay? So in this month of December, being the last month of the year, there's a lot of unwinding that's going on. And I just wanted to prepare you for it because you have to remember that this is 2016 is a 9 year. Now 9 in numerology means completion. So it's a human process of completion. So one of the things you may notice as we unwind the year in the month of December is that you may have a kaleidoscope of memories running through your mind. And it's important for you not to get stuck on them, but to know that you are being given a review of your life and of your year that will set you free for the next year, which is 2017, the year of acceleration. Now, the year of acceleration we've been waiting for ever since the Mayan calendar dropped us into 2012. But as my friend Maria Yespero says, it was a, what is it called when you get? Breach birth. And so we went in backwards, which means that we had a lot of letting go to do before we could advance to the level that the Mayans were talking about. We had to give up resistance. How about that? So now, as we enter the gateway of January 2017, we'll be opening to the idea that we are ready to put our foot on the gas, not the brakes, and go towards victory through action. Okay? It's also a 10-year next year in Tibetan numerology, so you're going to be preparing for new beginnings in your life. So the more endings you can tie up in December, the more new beginnings will be available for you to preview as you enter the new year. Okay? Now Uranus goes retrograde on the 29th of December. So that's the last planet standing in retrogrades, except for Cryon on December 1st went direct. So we have the two major planets going direct in December, which then, and on the 9th we have Mercury going retrograde. I think it's on the 19th, and that ends on January 8th. So you do have Mercury going retrograde. So my advice to everybody when that happens is, remember, when Mercury goes retrograde, the systems get kind of backed up. So do your Christmas shopping before then. And if you have presents to mail or send, best to get them mailed before the 19th. It'll have a happier ending. It'll be less frustrating as well. Okay, so now that retrograde goes till the 8th of the new year. And then we are set free of retrogrades for several weeks, which will set us up to go full speed ahead. That's why I want you to pay attention to what you are reviewing. And the words of my teacher, Nancy Tappy, are coming into my head right now. And review, touch lightly, and let go. I don't want you to review and end up to have 50 therapy sessions. You just look at it, remember what's the wisdom behind that event, accept the wisdom and move on. But the reason why it's coming up, because you need to acknowledge what it is that you have learned. Okay? So, as we enter the new year, I want you to be fresh and squeaky clean so that as you sit in the new movie theater of 2017, you can watch the previews and the coming attractions of all the new beginnings that are available to you. And this is what my wish is, that you will be able to accept that concept. Okay? So happy new beginnings, happy endings, and let's take it away and go into the year of acceleration with much excitement.